I just recorded a video and I thought I pressed play. It didn't go through. I'm just going to say this. I'm going to start a playlist where it will have other people's audio, news report audios, other victims' audios, my audios, and there must be someone out there that's a problem solver like me who can use the experience to listen to our audios and figure this out. We can solve this problem. This is a solvable problem, folks. The audio in my apartment should not sound this way. I used to have a YouTube channel where I did videos starting in 2014, and it didn't sound anything like this. So if you have experience with audio, please go through not just my videos, other people's videos, the news reports, because if someone's using ultrasound, an eavesdropping device in our homes, and it's making people sick, it's making people think that we're hearing voices when we're not hearing voices. It's someone using audio to affect our hearing, to affect our recordings, to affect all sorts of things. Then we need to solve this problem. So I'm asking anyone out there, if you are a problem solver, this is such a big problem we gotta solve. We can do this. The other thing I want to tell you folks is, I don't know if I got cut off when I was saying it, but they thought they could cut me off. What I've been doing is I keep a video up that I already loaded, and I keep it so that when they cut off my video because they use up my memory and data, I delete it and then I can do another video. So they may think they're controlling me. They said they're forcing me to hear this. They're forcing me to listen to them. No, they're forcing themselves to be exposed. I want this problem solved, and I think we can solve it. Thanks for watching.